Good morning. Today we're gonna talk about an item which I've built myself, obviously not the foam tray, and this is an egg carrier. Usually we used to carry the eggs in an egg basket, but while driving some eggs would chip or break. So this is the safest option we've found till now. The box is made out of wood. We have plywood and a couple of pieces of wood for the handle, and the other parts are just foam, compressed foam, used for egg transportation. Below we also have another piece for cushioning, and these had these studs which I had to remove. You can see them here. These were a bit protruding, so I cut them out with a scissor. We have two covers to keep the eggs inside so they don't go bouncing around. This string is just so the flaps won't fly around. In our country it's a bit windy, so it's good to have something to stop the plastic from flying around. So enough talking, let's go collect some eggs. Okay, welcome back. Let's see how many eggs we have. We have one here, and we always store eggs point down. It's easier to store, and also it will keep them much fresher. There are no eggs here. Let's just check here where we have two chicken layers. We have a couple here. One, two, always pointing down. And here we have a lot. These eggs weren't all laid by this one. Actually, I think she is still gonna lay. These are all laid by different chickens. So let's put them in place and we'll see. Obviously the chickens are still laying during the day. So usually when the weather is right and it's not cold, they will lay around 20 up to 22 eggs. Hope you enjoyed this video, and as you can see, the eggs fit snugly, even the big ones, and the small will fit perfectly inside, and they are easy to take out. Maybe the small one, but usually they get out easily also. That's it. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.